Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Here was born Èṣù Ní, Èlégbà of Two Faces. Prayer, Òdù Ògbè Túmákò, ikuyeye niso binrin ikukukunise, binrin amu atanu, binrin niso omo oduduwa adifafun, ala, Òrúnmìlà agboniragun, tomala, belance, igi Èṣù Ní okuta kulalaleke, igi belele, ifa nmukeke, fa mejig bogbo araye, toku osode ifa lo da fun Èlégbà. Patakin story. In the land of Òbìnìṣé, there lived a king named Òbá Atánu, who was deeply troubled because he knew that a child would be born in his land, one sent by Òtrupon to end his reign. He issued a decree ordering that all newborn male children be killed. In that land also lived Òrúnmìlà Ògbè Túmákò, who served Òdùduwa, father of many children. Among his most beloved children were Tomala Balance and Kuta Kulakeke, husband and wife, who gave birth to a beautiful child, born with the mark of Olofin. When the king's decree reached them, Tomala Balance and Kuta Kulakeke went to consult Òrúnmìlà Ògbè Túmákò, asking him to save their newborn son. Òrúnmìlà performed osode, divination, and received this Odù Ògbè Túmákò. He told them, "Your son has been chosen by Olofin to survive and overthrow King Atánu. You must perform Ebo with Akuko Meta, 3 roosters, Eran Malu, cow meat, Akara Bibo Meta, 3 fried bean cakes, Ikordie Meta, 3 Ikordis, Gibogbo Ase, Agboran, Akofa Meta, 3 warriors, Meji Ofa, 7 arrows, and Upolupo Owo, plenty of money. Then feed the corners of your house." They obeyed. When they went to place the offering at the corners of their house, they encountered a man sitting there, who said, "Prepare yourselves. Your enemies are coming from the front." The child, equipped with the bow and arrows that Awo Túmákò had given after the sacrifice, stood his ground. When the king's soldiers arrived, the child killed 7 of them with his arrows. The next day, the king sent 7 more soldiers to kill the child. Again, when the parents went to the corners to offer food, they found the same unknown man, who told them, "Return quickly to your house. The enemies are coming from the back." The child hid behind the back door and again shot his arrows, killing the 7 soldiers. When Òbá Atánu heard this, he didn't believe it, so he went himself to the house of Òdùduwa's children and saw everything was true. Terrified by the Omokekere, sacred child, he fled. When the danger had passed, Òdùduwa's children returned to Òrúnmìlà, who told them, "The man you saw at the corner of your house is named Èṣù Ní. He has the power to see through both faces he carries. He will always accompany the children of this earth, protecting them from war and injustice throughout life."